Y'all, I have been cleaning out my hair closet and found this wig in the back collecting dust, and I'm glad I found her because she is my new favorite. This is the Jacintha wig from Bobbi Boss, and unfortunately, it looks like it's no longer available to buy, but I'm sure Bobbi Boss has another one that is the same, if not better than this. But leave some comments down below. Let Bobbi know to bring this one back because she is absolutely stunning. Stay tuned for the install. This is a 13x7 HD lace glueless wig, and it is everything they described on the box. You can part it anywhere. The lace is extremely thin. It comes pre-plucked and has baby hairs. If this is not convincing you to try one of their wigs, I don't know what will. There's an adjustable strap on the inside of the cap, as well as clips to help hold the wig in place. The curls are super bouncy and it's layered. Here's a look at the hairline. Definitely plucked, okay? It's not super full like most other synthetic wigs, and it's giving scalp with no customization at all. Now, the last time I installed a wig and tried keeping the hairline as is, I ended up hating the video. So I have decided that for all of my installs, I will be doing a widow's peak forever and always, just because that is what my actual hairline looks like. So whenever I do it, it just looks automatically more natural, realistic, and just makes me a lot more happier with the video and the install in general. And if you guys want a specific tutorial on how I pluck my synthetic wigs, let me know in the comment section below. My biggest tip is to try on the wig multiple times while plucking, because it will look so bomb on the mannequin head, and then you put it on yours and you're like, who did it and why? Don't be like me when installing your wigs. Make sure to have a flat base with your braids or twists, whatever you do. I installed this over 2-week-old twist that I braided into pigtails, not flat at all. And that ended up messing up the placement of the wig on like near my ear tab. And you'll see what I mean at the very end. For my 13x4, 5, 6, 7 wigs, I will always do a ball cap. I feel like it doesn't take me as long as it used to, and it definitely makes a huge difference on the scalp. Plus, it protects your hair if you do it right. This is what the lace looks like after adding some foundation. It looks so realistic and natural. Oh, I am in love. Another huge tip for your installs: get pinking shears, y'all. I don't know how many times I have to say it. I'm gonna say it in every video until everyone has one in their toolkit or their hair kit, whatever you want to call it. It makes getting the jagged cut so easy and effortless. I've tried the baby scissors, I've tried the razors. None of it does it for me like the pinking shears. And like, do you see this? Come on now. I knew that I would be wearing this for a week or so, and just an FYI, I have worn this hair on and off for about a month now, and she still looks amazing. Like, I literally just took her off not even 2 minutes ago. Minus the fact that she needs a good wash, you know, because, yeah. One thing about me, I'm afraid to wash a synthetic wig. I feel like I'm just gonna mess it up, but that's neither here nor there. But for the install, I used the Erica J Sport adhesive, only one layer as usual. I don't know how people do multiple. It just gives me anxiety because I feel like, how are you getting all of that off of your hair? It just doesn't do it for me. If you're loving this install so far, make sure to thumbs up this video. Next up, I'm using my Ebin lace spray. I'm still getting used to using this stuff. I feel like what's been working best for me is spraying it on my fingertips, then putting it all over the lace. One full spray is really all you need, but I do like 6 to 7 baby sprays because the full spray is strong and it goes everywhere every time. After that air dries, I use a little bit of the black bottle of the Ebin spray on top of that, and then tie her down with an elastic band. And I was going to sleep, so I pin curled her up, put it in a bonnet, and that's how I wore it to sleep, and that's how I've been wearing it to sleep. And the curls have been holding up beautifully, guys. It's the next morning, and she is melted to the gods. If you're still here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Y'all remember back in the day, they were like, don't comb out your synthetic wigs too much because it will get matted. You just don't want to play in it too. Don't touch it too much. This is not the case anymore. Comb out that hair, child. Comb it out. The only ones that I'm weary of combing are super curly or kinky curly ones. Those are the only ones. The straight ones, the crimped ones, the body wave ones. Girl, if you don't take a brush and brush through that, I'm telling you, it's going to make the wig look so natural. And just make sure to brush it in the direction that the curls are going. Do not just brush the hair. Brush it in the direction that it's going so it keeps the curls intact. Also, this hair is heat safe, so I took some of my wax stick, not a lot, and put that around the part, and then got my hot comb just to make sure it was super flat, and I know y'all see the difference. If you can't tell, even the knots on the wig look realistic. It's not super bulky, even though they're not bleached or anything like that, obviously because it's synthetic. It's just giving a realistic wig, and I love that for us. After combing it out, I realized that the layers start kind of far down for my liking and just for the shape of my face. So I went in and cut some more layers. I think this is the most heavy-handed I've been with cutting layers because I know I do not like cutting hair because I want to save every little scrap of hair that they give me. But we're growing and it's showing, okay? Now, you don't have to cut layers at all. The curls looked really amazing without the extra layers, but we are all about the customization of our synthetics this year. So I had to show you guys what I did. Last, we are putting some foundation on the part to really accentuate it, and this is it, y'all. This is Jacintha, y'all. Ain't she cute? I still cannot believe I had this wig sitting in my closet for as long as I did, y'all. It had to be for at least 3 or 4 years, which is nuts. Like, the procrastination on installing this is crazy, and I need to do better. But you know what? I love that I was like, let's try this wig on finally, and we love her. Bobbi Boss, bring her back, please. Let me know if you want more videos like this by liking and commenting below. It's so appreciated and it helps me to reach out to brands so I can keep these videos coming. Y'all, I hate to be that girl, I really do, but I think this is the most realistic synthetic wig that I have tried outside of the Sensational Bare Lace. The Sensational Bare Lace is definitely a winner chicken dinner. I'll link her up here. But this wig, y'all, she is so good. Look at the volume, look at the bounce, the layers. Like, are you kidding me? I'm feeling these no baby hair looks with the synthetics. The no baby hair might be a thing for me now, because truthfully, in all my years of doing wigs, the baby hair just ruin it for me every time. I don't know why, but they just ruin it, and I'm tired of it. I'm sick and tired. So I say, you know what? We're gonna try to do no baby hairs, and I think I'm getting a lot better at the no baby hair, minus the sides. Don't look at the sides. I didn't braid my hair down properly, so yeah, a good braid down is the key to a good install. Because I don't have the right braid down, it just didn't sit where it was supposed to sit. I would definitely reinstall this and like really braid down my hair. Like, it didn't really fit the sides that much because this is a little bit too far back. I feel like it should be like up here. It didn't, and same on this side, like what the this is definitely a wig you do want to pluck. Like, I know, and I keep saying it in every video, I know we want the throw on and go, but the girls at the synthetic wig companies have not figured out what the best hairline is for us. And also, everybody's hairline is different. So I feel like if you do anything, just do a little bit of customization to your lace. But truthfully, she looks so nice to the front. Like, I mean, I could pull her back. Because this is 13x6 or 13x7, this is a 13x7 frontal wig, you can literally part it anywhere. So you can do a little of that. Like, look, I could braid this. If I could braid that well and make it look nice, I could braid that. So the front of the wig was very full, this part. When you get towards the middle, like from here a little bit back, it's a little scarce. And I see what they were trying to do, because obviously, like, the more scalpy it looks, the better. But it's giving like bald. It's giving bald. It's giving you don't have to fill it in with a little bit of black or whatever. But she is adorable. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Thumbs this video up if you like what you see, and let me know if you have any other wigs that you want me to try that you've been seeing. Of course, share this video with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys. Let them know that the synthetic wigs is really making a comeback. Even though this is an old wig, it's really like they did their thing with this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.